Greetings from Oaxaca City, Mexico. I've just posted a new lecture on marcoconnellstudio.com entitled Terrestrial Paths and Restored Memories, Art, Craft, and Collective Histories at MUAC. This research examines the Museo Universitario Arte Contemporáneo, MUAC, in Mexico City, which was opened in 2008 on the UNAM campus, a crucial site for contemporary art in Mexico and Latin America. I explore how Teodoro González de León's monumental architecture shapes the experience of large-scale and immersive installations, and how key exhibitions bridge historical reflection and present-day experimentations. Highlights include Ai Weiwei's Restablecer Memorias from 2019, addressing collective trauma and remembrance. Also, Una Modernidad Hecha a Mano from 2022, which reframed Mexican design and craft within modernism, and Mis Caminos Son Terrestres, celebrating Marta Palau's fiber-based explorations of migration, territory, and embodied identity, which is the current exhibition. I also discuss exhibitions on artist collectives, ecological installations, and spatial interventions that engage MUAC's modernist architecture. Together, these projects position MUAC as a vital bridge between research and public engagement, demonstrating art's capacity to respond to social, political, and ecological realities. My name is Dr. Mark Joseph O'Connell. I'm currently in Mexico on sabbatical, academic sabbatical, researching Industrial Revolution era fashion economies across Mexico, Canada, and the United States. Once again, the current research on UNAM and MUAC is up on marcoconnellstudio.com.